How you doing? This is Sora saying hello to my universe. Our universe. Everyone else's universe. Sorak Universe 777. Hopeful that you have an excellent day. That your 24/7 is good. That your 365 is on his way. Just giving my shout out to the people or to the uncertified not going to college philosophers. You know, those people that got screwed on the long run. Those people that didn't get the chance to go to college and finish it. For those philosophers. The ones that no one listened to. Because they don't have a stupid diploma hanging on the wall. And because their philosophies and the way they think, maybe they're not that popular with the common people, with the crowd, you know. They're not in style, what they think, or what they believe, or what they philosophize, or whatever. Maybe this is part of the reason that I made this channel for. Because, you know, I went to college by some stupidity. I didn't finish it. Not a good idea. It wasn't smart at all. Because I could have do a lot of stuff better for my family and for the people that I love. But no. When it was time to be stubborn or to be like have a little bit of more will, and you know, you got a lot of people there like they're very taking the easy route, you know, like, oh, you should, why you didn't do this? Why didn't you do that? Yeah. Why didn't you say no? So I can have the things that I want. Why did I say no in order to have the things that I really think that I should have? But no, I let go to that power and let someone else make decisions for me. And that's what you get. But put that aside. I still look at all those trees. And I see something. That every tree that you see in here, you see? First of all, don't be a tree hugger. The trees, they don't need your hugs. They need food. They need to be trimmed. They need to be cleaned out somehow. They need water. They need sun. They need for you to appreciate what they are. They need you to get the heck out of their way because they're going to do what they know to do. And they're going to go wherever they want to go, regardless of what you want to do. Nature is more wiser than us. God is more wiser than us. Even the ground in here have more knowledge and wisdom than you and me and everyone, because they're still here. These trees they've been here for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, and their relatives and everything, until we came by to destroy them. Maybe we need wood for the shelter, you know. Maybe all we need is concrete, a barbed wire, and rebar to construct, to make a house. Maybe we should be as smart as the trees, that regardless of how big or different or small or whatever, you see, they feed out of the ground and out of the sun. They feed on light, water, and some stuff that is in the ground, that if you're a scientist or something like that, you will know exactly what it is in there. But they grow. Trees and nature, they need us to help them to clean out, to trim it a little bit, to give them water, and that's all. They don't need hugs. They need for us to get the heck out of the way so they can do whatever they want to do. Because even though that we need homes, but we need the trees and the nature more. We're here just to like trim it, make it look good, see if they're fine. If they need water, we give them water. If they need to be treated with some kind of a thing to make them feel better, that's it. But basically, nature has been here for a long, long time. But yeah, and you see, regardless of how big, small, they go to different shapes and sizes and DNA inside. They all of them. They all their lives, you know. Regardless of how many branches, they go from one side to the other, up and down. They always they always go to the same thing, the sun, up. You don't see a tree that want to go down and bury itself. Of course, the seed has to be in the ground, and it has to be like really attached to there so they don't fall or whatever. But after that, if in order to grow, they have to go up. And regardless how much they go left and right, up and down, they twist around or whatever, they always go up to the heavens. Try to reach the sun. Try to reach the light. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Sometimes we can be stubborn and not want it to grow. Remember, there are two plants that you have. Actually, there are three plans are for you. The ones that you think that you should do, which is good. The ones that people think that you should do, And the plan they have, if you believer, which I am, the one, the man upstairs, God wants you to have. And if somehow in the middle or in between those, you might do your part, and then God or faith or fate or randomness, whatever you want to believe into, we'll do the part. And sometimes your plans are not, they might not be as politically correct or are not in tune with the things that the people that you have around you they want you to have. But if they really love you, they will have a faith on you that you're going to take care of that. And if you are really the leader of your family or your community, it's not saying that they go and jump out of the bridge because you tell them to. Just tell them, hey, give them something so they can believe that you're gonna do something good, and see. And let me tell you, you're gonna have people that are gonna be stubborn and they don't want to follow your dreams, and they think that your dreams are stupid or silly. But don't let it kill your dreams, you know. They might not be their dreams, but they're yours. And the same as you work with them, somehow, and you do your part in order for them to follow their dreams and do whatever they want with their lives, they should do the same thing to you. Because that's what I call a relationship or friendship. Friendship is a dance that you go back and forward. And somehow you're dancing. And it's weird. Dance is kind of weird sometimes too. You see something going back and forward, and if you take away the music, they look stupid and they look like, ugh, what the heck is going on in there? But it's a dance, and then you put music into it, you put all the ingredients together, and boom, they're dancing. They're not just moving back and forward, doing funny moves and stuff like that. They're dancing. Cool. But yeah, regardless of what you do, try to make sense of your life the best way you can, and follow the light. Because if you want to grow up. That's why they call it grow up, because every tree is growing up. It's going up to the sky. So don't be a tree hugger, be a nature lover. If you want like to be like environmentally whatever. Trees that don't need hugs. They don't need you to put a chain around yourself and to them. Nature needs to be free and happy. It needs to grow the way they want it to grow. We're here to just like, you know, like if you want to put a house, you know, you might need to knock down some trees, but you need to put some more around you. Let me tell you, that tree is giving his life. so you can be happy. Or if you are religious, Jesus is giving his life so you can be happy, not to be sad or to be upset or to be angry or to be mob or to make a mob and hang wishes to a tree or burn witches to the stake and killing others, because someone that creates life doesn't want to take it away, but he wants you to protect your life, but don't do things wrong to the others. You make this plan so you can enjoy it the best way you can. He knows that you're a fool, that you're going to be an idiot once in a while, that you're going to pull some nonsense once in a while. But as long as you believe, if you're religious, he shouldn't be upset about nothing. As long as you keep everything clean and take care of everything and make silly mistakes. Because we are, as a human beings, we have to be very, very silly and very stupid in order to be wise and smart and intelligent. Because we are not born with a preloaded software that can do whatever they want. Just press that start button and boom, everything is working magically. No. And yeah, regardless of what you do or whatever that you do, look up. No, look down. Look up. Yeah, look down once in a while. You don't want to trip on someone or something in your life. But grow up. Have fun. And like I tell you, this channel is for the uncertified philosophers, the ones that they don't have their picture taken or makes book out of them or publish something. The ones that unfortunately didn't get to go to college so they can have like a degree, so people will understand. They know what they're talking about. Of course, for some things you need to go to college. Yeah, duh. I want a doctor that knows what he's doing and he studied what he's doing, for example. But yeah, grow up, reach for the light, ground yourself so you don't fall, but be free like nature. Nature do whatever they want, and they respect each other and they understand each other, because whatever they know they do, they always want this planet to be here for them. But don't be a tree hugger. Be a nature lover. Love nature, love each other, and all that stuff, and grow up, now down, up. Understand that you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna be silly, you're gonna be stupid, you're gonna be an asshole sometimes, and the people that really love you, they're gonna go all the way for you. Thank you. This is Sorak. Say hello to my universe, our universe, everyone else's universe, because in my universe and in this universe, everyone is included. Everyone, even assholes. And we have to love each other. We have to understand each other, that we are different. But we got to be like nature, work together in order to make this planet a little bit better. I believe that people that were more important, more intelligent, more smarter than you, do a lot of sacrifices in order to have the things that you have. But that doesn't mean that they want you to be stuck on one position. They want you to grow up, and because if you have an idea, that doesn't mean killing or murdering someone or do something bad to someone. You should do it. And people should understand that you're not doing it because you don't want them to be hurt. You don't want it to be happy. And because you want to be happy, you want to spread that happiness, because you need to be happy in order to bring happiness to someone. You cannot give what you don't have. You need to have it, earn it, or grab it and give it to someone. But you see, you need to have something. But yeah, don't be a tree hugger. Be a nature lover. And yeah, this is Sorak saying, see you later. To my universe, our universe, everyone else universe, Sorak universe 777. Grow up. Grow up. Together, separately, or in a family, but grow up. Or be by yourself, but grow up. Bye. See you later.